In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to stop specific people from commenting on your Instagram posts. This can be important for maintaining control over your online space and protecting your mental well-being. It allows you to prevent negative or hurtful comments from individuals who may be disruptive or toxic. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. On your profile page, you want to tap onto these 3 lines to access your settings. Inside how others can interact with you, select Comments. Head to this very first option of Block Comments from. Search for that account that always comments negativity. Block them from commenting on your posts ever again. They will be seeing your posts but won't be able to share their thoughts because they don't matter anyways. Well, that's how easy it is to block someone from commenting onto your Instagram posts. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.